60 seconds with Femi correct Pidgin Yanis. Now they do one today. We won't look what happened yesterday for inside UEFA Champions League. The two matches where they play Manchester United versus PSG and FC Porto versus AS Roma. For FC Porto and AS Roma match, they want tire out yesterday. Carry match go enter extra time. But Villarreal, they can look and say, oh boy, Florenzi, you draw that guy shirt. You draw him computer for grand. So penalty for that particular match. Now Porto take qualify go round of 16. But the other match they play Manchester United versus PSG. That match might be the big one yesterday because many people don't tell Man United say bye bye, say carry your load, come out for competition because PSG been a win 2-0 before match start. But yesterday Manchester United win that match 3-1. Marcus Rashford scored the last penalty for inside that particular match when the Cisse Kimpembe carry hand touch that particular ball. How you see that match yesterday? Manchester United fans, you've been believe say una go fit come back from this particular one. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer finally in don't prove say making get the job. I want to know from